guys, I'm back. Okay, today is the 11th of Today is the 11th of November. Mag-stand ka. 2013. It is Monday, so I'm actually just waiting to my new video, my new vlog to be uploaded. I'm actually uploading 2, but YouTube can only cater to 1. Don't ask me why. But yeah, I'm uploading 2 vlogs. I'm uploading my Friday vlog and my weekend vlog. Kasi I didn't go out this weekend naman, so I'm a weekend bum person. Kita niyo yung taba ko. Oh well. So yeah, I'm so tired. I wanna go to sleep, but then I can't. Kasi I'm waiting for this to upload. And I'm actually contemplating on attending an event. Kasi the event is quite early. It's like 8:30 in the morning. So that won't get me any sleep at all. Kasi just waiting for my uploads, it's I still have 310 minutes for one video. And I'm like, but I think I'm not gonna go. Email ko na lang ulit yung tao kasi I can't. Okay. I'm gonna email the contact person first and say that I'm not gonna go kasi if I go, I will be super early. Hindi na ako makatulog. And I think I'm gonna die if I don't do that. Just joking. I'm not gonna die. Yet. Okay. Ang weird kong kausap mo. Basta, I'll talk to you guys in a while. Just settle this. Kasi, sasakit lang ulo ko pag pumunta ako dito for sure. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hey guys, I'm actually at work. It's about 3:34 in the afternoon. I don't have classes yet. Kaya pa. So, mag-meeting muna kami. Mami, video. Sino? Okay, meeting na tayo. Yes. I-record ko na yung meeting, ha? 19. Kailan? Kailan birthday mo?
Uy, 19.
Ay, happy birthday. Mas wala ka dito.
November 27.
Sino? Ariela. Arieta, sino?
Arriba.
Baka si Marieta yung sinasabi mo. Halika, meeting tayo. Halika. Ay, Cindy? Mami, para may meeting. Ikaw ba yan? Malinis yan. Pinagpagan ko na yan.
Ganyan talaga.
Ganyan talaga siya.
Okay lang nakatayo. Kakain ko lang. Kasi kakain ko lang.
What's the meeting all about?
Hindi sandali lang.
Minutes of the meeting, ah.
Sa Saturday, pupunta si sa Saturday, pupunta si PSG sa ABS. So ngayon, di ba nakita niyo naman yung nangyari kay Yolanda? Nakita niyo naman yung nangyari sa
Ginawa ni Yolanda.
Cebu, Tacloban, kung ano-ano yung parte ng Visayas. So nangingi siya donation. Pero kunyari yung mga used clothes, yung pwede nung magamit pa, huwag yung mga sobrang butak-butak na.
May
mancha ng konti. Okay lang kasi pwede naman gamitin. Basta huwag lang yung maayos. Oo, yung maayos.
Pero may matcha ng gano'n yung mga kit.
Oo, kasi wala silang yung nakailangan. Nakita niyo ba yung mga sa news? Diba? Kaya sabi nga nila, huwag daw muna pupunta.
Hey guys! Okay, so today pala is Pepero Day. So, Mommy Jen gave me Pepero. If you guys don't know, Pepero Day is a Korean, more of like a Korean observation lang. What you do on Pepero Day is you basically give out Pepero. Or ang bango? Chocolate. Ano bang point ng Pepero Day? Mami Jem, anong point ng Pepero Day?
11 kasi sticks, diba? 11. So, kaya every November 11, kasi celebrate nila dahil Kasi parang ito lang yung ano, yung day ng ginawa tong pepperoni sticks. Kaya ano? Walang kwentang explanation nito.
Di ba sabi nila, mga Korean high school daw yung middle school, high school, no? Oh yeah. So, this is pepperoni. Yung, ano, yung Philippinized version nito, yung pretzels, di ba? Wala kang pang pepero, pretzels mo na lang. Yakanil pretzels. My mommy didn't give me this. Pati nga na ibang version. Pati nga na mga ibang version ng pepero. Okay. Ay, heard to.
Hindi mali.
This one is the normal. Ito yung may mani.
Happy birthday.
Pepero day nga.
Okay. Pepper day?
Oo, mabaya.
I-upload mo na.
Instagram.
Ano ba? I-upload mo na.
Hey guys. Okay, so right now I'm not doing anything. I'm like super bored. My class is about 10 minutes from now and I'm super bored. Like, I don't like the feeling of being bored. It just drains me. When I'm not doing anything, it just drains me to bits. And oh yeah, this coming if you are from Taguig, or if you live near Taguig, if you guys want to meet up with me, I will be at SMX Aura in Taguig this coming November 16. I will be attending the Blogapalooza. If you guys don't know, there are some organizations for bloggers, and if you guys want to meet up, we could set up a meet and greet there at SMX. And I'm super excited because I will be meeting up with some blogger friends of mine that I haven't seen in a while. Like, although the blogosphere is like a very small industry for us, it's not every day that we see each other because most of them attend blogger events. I don't attend blogger events that much anymore because of all the controversies, of all the drama. Like, seriously, if I tell you all the drama that happens behind some influential blogs, you would definitely say parang showbiz lang. So yeah, so I'm gonna be attending the Blogapalooza this Saturday and I'm so excited for it. It's not every day that I get to meet new people. I get to show my brand, show my blog. So my brand is my image. So I'm like, I don't really sugarcoat my reviews for my blog. I just say what I mean. I've learned a lot through blogging, like mainly how to handle criticism, because before hindi ako makapal man mukha ko pagdating sa criticism. My self-esteem actually lowers down. So if people talk shit about me on my blog or they talk shit there, it doesn't really make me a happy person. But now, I've started to accept the pain, and like, life is all about that. Life is all about drama. So it's very easy for me to accept, like, people will not say you're good. But I've actually received a lot more saying that I'm a very, what was that word again? I'm a prolific writer. I don't really believe them, but I've heard a lot of comments and a lot of people saying that you're such a prolific writer for a beauty blogger. And I'm like, huh? Prolific? Ako? Ano daw? What? But overall, I love blogging. And if you guys want to check out my blog, I'll put the link of my blog below. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people checking out my blog, which is super nice. Thank you so much, you guys. And yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, check out my latest video on my beauty channel. It's a beauty collaboration with Emma of M's Place 91. I'll put the link on her video, or just go to my makeup look and then you can check out the link on the description box there as well. So I'm just gonna prepare for my class and then I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hey guys! Okay, so actually, I don't have classes yet. I'm gonna have class later. But for now, I have some awesome news for you guys. Number one is that I have an Instagram account now, which is so exciting. My Instagram account is Alice Mate, my full name, ALICE. So you could just check out my Instagram. I haven't posted pictures yet on my Instagram. Awful. But please do follow me on Instagram. I'm so excited. I'm currently following 6 people. One of them is my office mate, and then Aryan, which is also my office mate, and then Chongli, and then Say. Anna hasn't updated me following her, and then I'm also following Michelle Fun. So yeah, but I'm gonna update that later. So yeah, I'm so happy for it. Like, it's so weird, but it's so surreal, but it's good. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a while. I'll just chill down. Hey guys! Okay, so I'm gonna eat dinner before my class, which is in about 11 minutes lang naman. So I'm gonna eat burger. I actually have food, but then one of my office mates begged me. Oh, mga ganun term. She didn't beg me, but she was like finishing all her paninda. So she said, kunin mo na lang, kahit na hindi mo na lang bayaran. I feel bad. I don't want credit again, but then yeah. Oh yeah, I bought some new products that I'm gonna show in a haul video tomorrow. I don't know, tonight ko siya shoot, so I'm gonna post that on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul video. Haul. Korean. Haul. I don't know, I'm not gonna do a haul video. Kasi dalawa lang siya, so It has cucumber in it. Nakakagutom ba guys? Nakakagutom ba kayo? Nakakaasa din. Nakakagutom ba kayo? It has beef patty, mayo, has lettuce, cucumber. Does it have tomato in it? Ang sarap. Yun ang masabi ko. Okay, I'll talk to you in a while. Hey guys! So if you guys are noticing, I have eyeliner. This is actually the Etude House eyeliner. My office mate is, my coach. One of our coaches here in our company is selling Etude House products, so I cannot resist it. It's like 50% off. Mapush na natin yun, diba? Pag na-elevate mo na. Hey guys, so I actually don't have classes anymore. I'm just on Instagram right now. I'm just checking out some posts on Instagram, which I was like, what the freak am I doing with my life? I never really thought that Instagram could have this effect on people. Like literally, I just froze. I just froze because like, oh my god, Instagram is so freaking nice. Okay. People to follow on Instagram. So yeah. So I'm just going to check out people that I could follow, like awesome people I could follow on Instagram, because I don't know. Like, I think I need more of these awesome people, so my post would also have awesome things happening. I'm gonna be posting my first ever Instagram photo later when I get home, and I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know about you guys, but it's my very first time to be on Instagram, so the idea of, you know, just like having this direct line with you guys. I know this vlog is a direct line, but you know, having like an online diary of pictures, it's just so freaking awesome. I swear to you, it's so freaking awesome. I don't know what to do. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I've been talking a lot today. So yeah, so a lot of things happened today. Well, mostly work related. And then I have my Instagram, which I'm so happy. I will be following awesome people on Instagram, so you better check it out. Currently, I'm following 13 people. Most of them are YouTubers. Most of them are people I know personally, and if you guys want me to follow you back, just make sure to follow me on Instagram and comment on my very first picture. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye! Oh yeah, for more questions, go to the comment section. I'll answer your comments as soon as I can. Alrighty?